We will make an effective dashboard in Excel. Let's begin by putting the cursor anywhere in the table. After that, go to the Insert tab and click on the Pivot Table. A window will open. The range has been selected. When it comes to creating a pivot table, we have two options, In-Sheet and New Sheet. Consider the complexity and volume of your data. For a comprehensive analysis, a new sheet may provide a more organized canvas. We will select the new one and press OK. We are now on another sheet. Next step is that we will select the city for rows and the amount for values. Select the numbers and go to the Home tab. Select the general and remove the decimals. Then go to Numbers, tick on Use Separator and press OK. Select this pivot table. Right-click, select the Copy option and paste it into another cell. Adjust their columns. Select the City column. Remove it from this table and select the Business unit. Do the same for the tables of sales rate and date with the amount. Then go to the Rows section and click on the date. A small window will open. Choose the Remove field. Then select the first pivot table and go to the Analyze. Name these pivot tables. After all, select the first pivot table. Go to the Insert tab and choose the line chart. Remove all the field buttons from the chart. Give the title Sales by City. Cut this chart from the pivot table sheet and paste it into another sheet which we add to the dashboard. Then go to the Format tab and choose the size. Width and height will be 4.93 and 2.76 respectively. Now select the product table and in the same way, select the chart, but this time we select the pie chart. And remove the fields. Give it the title also. Do the same action for the remaining tables. Select the column chart for sales rate. For interconnection, go to the Analyze tab and select the Insert slicer. A window will open, select the date, and press OK. Insert the second slicer of the year also. We can select more than one slicer at a time. Click on Date Slicer and go to the Options. We can change the number of columns in the slicer by column option. Now come to the Pivot Table sheet and select the last table. Go to the Insert tab, select the chart, and remove the unnecessary fields. cut and paste it into the dashboard sheet. Adjust its size. Zoom it to 65%. Select the chart Sales by City. Go to the Home tab. Change the font and style in the Font section. Then go to the Design tab and change the colors of all. Then select the slicer and change its style. Go to the Option tab and change the style that you want for it. It's our final form of dashboard for beginners.